I'm here for all the animals that I victimized before I knew, and for all the people who have good hearts like me, who might not know yet.
Since the dawn of humanity, there remains a group so persistently abused and marginalized that their suffering is ingrained in our everyday lives.
Saw that. I just want everyone to, if you can, just give the volunteers another round of applause. They put together a really, really good job.
I'm here to ask for justice for those who deserve it just as much as we do, and to demand a world of compassion, tolerance, and peace.
I'm here for my children to set an example, to recognize that we're all sentient beings and we all want to live. And I want them to learn that from the very beginning.
If animals could freely talk, their chorus of cries would drown out every other sound in the world.
Thank you for showing up for the animals and for doing what you can today to spread that awareness. And I think what's unique about today is it's a day of memorial, it's a day of remembrance, it's a day where we reflect and we think about what happens to these animals. We have so many dates across the year where we celebrate the success of what we do in this movement. We have so many days where we celebrate the successes that we're making. But today is a unique day because we reflect and we bear our respects and we pay our respects to those who will not be saved and whose life has been taken from them and whose fate has been sealed by us and our species.